Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something pretty exciting to share with you. A brand new smartwatch from Huawei, and it's called the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Now, I've reviewed quite a few smartwatches over the past year, but this one genuinely caught me off guard. In a good way. Why? Well, because this thing is packed with features you'd usually find in smartwatches twice the price. And speaking of price, I can't reveal the exact number just yet due to embargo reasons, but let's just say it's going to be well under 700 ringgit. And for what you're getting here, that's honestly kind of wild. So in this video, we're going to unbox it, take a look at the design, dive into the user experience, and of course, test out all the tracking features it comes with. For more information, I included the Huawei Watch Fit 3 link in the description below that you can check. Let's get into it! Alright, starting with the unboxing, nothing too fancy here. You pop the lid and inside you'll find the watch itself, a charging cable, and some basic paperwork. That's it. Now, depending on which color variant you pick, the strap material might be different. I've got two with me right now. One in this nice minty green with a soft silicone strap that feels really smooth. And another in white with a woven nylon strap, which gives it more of a sporty, casual vibe. Both feel great, but we'll get into that in a bit. So, pulling the Watch Fit 3 out of the box, my very first thought was, wow, this feels a lot more premium than I expected. The case has a solid weight to it. Not heavy, but just enough to give it that expensive, well-built feel. The silicone strap? Super soft, and definitely not your average cheap-feeling strap you get off Shopee for 15 ringgit. Huawei clearly didn't cut corners here. Looking closer, you'll notice we've got two physical buttons on the side, a crown at the top that you can rotate and press, and a customizable shortcut button below it. I currently have mine set to open the workout menu, but you can set it to anything you like, which is pretty handy. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where the Watch Fit 3 really shines. It's a 1.82-inch AMOLED panel, bright, crisp, and super responsive. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the viewing angles are fantastic. And here's the kicker. It goes up to 1,500 nits of brightness. So even under direct sunlight, you're not going to struggle seeing your stats or checking the time. Oh, and it's running at 60 Hz, which makes the animations and UI feel buttery smooth. No lag, no stutter. Just clean, fluid motion throughout the entire interface. That's honestly rare in smartwatches at this price point. UI-wise, Huawei has really nailed it this time. The whole experience just feels polished. You can customize widgets and shortcut cards directly from the watch, which is great because most other brands force you to dive into their phone apps to do all that. Here, everything's accessible on your wrist. Whether you're adjusting layouts or setting up workout shortcuts, it's all quick and easy. Swiping through menus, launching apps, checking notifications, everything is seamless. Alright, let's get into the tracking features, and there's a lot to unpack here. First off, you've got over 100 workout modes, so whether you're into running, cycling, HIIT, or even things like dancing or skateboarding, it's got you covered. What's more impressive is the built-in GPS. It's fast to lock on, and here's my favorite feature, route back navigation. So let's say you're out for a jog in a new area or you're hiking in the woods. If you lose your way, the watch can help guide you back to where you started. I tried it out at the park and it worked flawlessly. Super helpful, especially for outdoor lovers. Now here's something new. Huawei is introducing calorie management with this watch. It works kind of like a mini fitness coach. You log your meals, yes, even your local Malaysian food like nasi lemak or char kway teow, and it helps calculate your calorie intake. Based on your input and daily activity, the watch suggests whether you should eat more, eat less, or maybe squeeze in a quick workout. It's not perfect, but it's a solid starting point if you're trying to build healthier habits or keep track of your fitness goals. Moving on to health features, of course, you get the basics like heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. But one standout here is the sleep breathing awareness feature. This is something you don't usually find on budget smartwatches. Basically, while you're asleep, the watch monitors your breathing patterns and flags anything abnormal, like interruptions or irregular breathing. which could point to deeper health issues like sleep apnea. If the watch detects something off, it might be a good idea to have a chat with your doctor. It's a thoughtful feature that shows Huawei's leaning more into the health space, and I really appreciate that. Battery life? Also impressive. Huawei claims up to 10 days of use on a single charge, and from my testing, that's actually realistic, especially if you're not using GPS constantly or blasting the brightness. Charging from 0 to 100% takes just about an hour, and if you're in a rush, a quick 5-minute charge gives you enough juice for the day. That's super convenient. Before we wrap up, let's talk extras. Yes, the Watch Fit 3 has a mic and speaker, so you can take Bluetooth calls directly from your wrist. There's also support for alarms, calendar reminders, and a handy Find My Phone feature. And good news, it works with both Android and iOS, so no matter which phone you're using, you're covered. Also, there are tons of watch faces available, many of them customizable. Whether you want something clean and minimal or flashy and colorful, there's something for everyone. So here's my honest take. The Huawei Watch Fit 3 is shaping up to be one of the best value for money smartwatches this year. It looks good, it feels premium, the display is amazing, and the feature set is kinda crazy for the price. Huawei didn't just slap a few features together, they really thought this through. And once the pricing officially drops, I think it's going to shake up the market in a big way. If you're looking for a smartwatch that delivers solid fitness tracking, sleek design, and excellent battery life without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth checking out. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer all of them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay active, stay healthy, and see you soon.